San Leandro Honda, the dealership that cares, knows that there's more to being a great dealership than just sales events. It's about community. San Leandro Honda donates a portion of all sales, service, and parts revenue to improving the ecosystem of the Bay Area through the Save the Bay Foundation. When you come to San Leandro Honda, you're not only getting a great deal, but you're doing something great for the environment. Learn more about San Leandro Honda at www.sanleandrohonda.com. While you're there, get a quick quote. Schedule a service appointment. Speak to an online representative to answer your questions now and see what makes us different than your average dealership. San Leandro Honda is located at 1302 Marina Boulevard in San Leandro, California.